Hey guys, Jesse Razo here once again, doing a quick review of another one of our local marketing hacks member sites. Again, we just want to provide as much value as we possibly can. So for each one of our members, we come back through after they sign up for that membership and do a quick review of their website, taking a look at their online marketing strategies, some of the things that would command more attention and or attract more customers in their local market. So I'm going to talk with you a little bit about one of our local marketing hacks members and their site. We'll talk a little bit about it here. We've got it in front of us. Of course, as you can see here, we have a lot of the traditional things. We have products and service before and after, motorcycle tank repair, and some other links here in the main menu, and then reviews. And I'll talk about all that stuff in just a bit. What I do want to talk about is how their site is set up. As you can see here, they do have a vanity URL that has a landing page, which we really like. It's nice to separate or break off your products and services and create unique offers for them, individual pages, and rapidly test the marketplace. As you can see here, or you may not be able to see, but this is a WordPress site, so performance, security, and SEO is a big part of deploying WordPress sites. So that's one of the things that we want to take a look at, is how the site performs. And as you can see here, we ran tests on both the vanity URL and also the main corporate site. And as you can see here, there is some opportunity for improvements. The majority of them are coding and image related. So this customer could fix this really easily by deploying WP Rocket and Imagify on their website and starting the optimization process of their website from a CSS and JavaScript coding standpoint. So if you have a web admin and you're looking to increase your page performance, hopefully reduce the number of bounces from people that land on your website and then go somewhere else because it doesn't load for them fast enough, then this would be a great place to start for that. I would do it for both the vanity URL and then also the corporate site, and make sure that there's a high level of performance on there. Don't go chasing a number, but you just want to make sure that everything's optimized for performance, security, and then also SEO. So just some things to think about there. Now I'm going to take a look at the actual overall SEO rating. As you can see here, over the last 5 years, we've had some increase. Since July of 2017, there's been a pretty steady increase in regards to organic SEO. And there are some competitors out there. I don't know if they're in the local market, but what I want you to take a look at is the difference between a company that is consistently updating their website and one that may have a more of a static site. So a lot of companies, what they'll do is they'll go out there and they'll deploy a general overview page, contact us page, product and service page, and then service area page in the paintless dent repair and or automotive hail repair industry. For all of our customers, what we tell them and what we coach them and assist them in executing is a media strategy that consists of documenting your work, your customers, and educating future clients. So it's incredibly important that you continue to build on your website, because if your website's not growing, it's dying. And although this website has increased the number of keywords that it's ranking for, it's nowhere near where it needs to be in order to dominate the marketplace where they are located. So it's incredibly important to remember that you want to create your website in a hub and spoke model, meaning that you want your website to be the center of your online marketing efforts, and you want social media sites, business directories, and business pages to be out there as road signs pointing back to your site, where you can answer the 3 most important questions for any potential customer, and that is, who are you, why do I care, and what do you want me to do? It's hard or challenging to achieve that on somebody else's network. Or if you are achieving that on somebody else's network and you're building out onto somebody else's network, don't get secure with that, because they can change the rules at any time. The great part about building out a community, building out your customers on your own website, is the fact that you own that space and you can make sure that you don't lose the ability to market on it like you would in some other channels. So that's incredibly important. Now, additionally, what we're looking at is just from a coding standpoint, we kind of cover some different points. On the website here, as you can see here, we do have a Facebook pixel that is kicking. Doesn't look like we have any conversion tracking here, so I would assert that they probably aren't running Facebook ads, or if they're running Facebook ads, they're not tracking conversions on there to help them reduce their ad costs and then also determine who they want to target on a regular basis. And then if we take a look at their Google tracking, as you can see here, we have analytics and some site tags deployed on the website, but no conversion tracking in regards to advertising. So a lot of opportunity there. If you get a really targeted, a geo-targeted ad campaign, you could come in through and see a significant amount of results if you got really specific and really targeted, both with your advertising and then also driving those to landing pages that were specific to your target market, either geographically and or psychographically or demographically, talking about age of customers, incomes, things of this nature. These are things that we help our clients do through the Local Marketing Toolkit, which is our done-for-you service. But it's incredibly important that if you are utilizing somebody to help you out with that, that you give them that information in regards to tracking. Then once you get your ad set up, utilize Google tags and also Facebook pixels in order to track conversions and to help you target your advertising both on the Google search, display, YouTube video, and or Facebook advertising. All really incredibly powerful ways that you can increase the number of clients that you have coming into your site. And then of course, once you get them to land on your sales and landing pages, make sure you get notifications set up to come to you via SMS with your smart numbers, so that you can return those calls as quickly as possible. One of the things that they studied out there is that if you return a inquiry through your website within the first minute, your chances of closing that inquiry has increased by 85%. For every minute thereafter, it drops 15%. So if you wait for an hour, you have a very low chance of closing that deal, as opposed to contacting somebody that's reached out to you through your website within the first minute. The way that we do that, or help our clients do that, is in all the web forms. Everything that we do online, we integrate that with your mobile device. We send all notifications to the mobile device in order to help our clients return phone calls more quickly and close more deals. I'm going to talk with you a little bit about structured data. As you can see here, we've got some structured data set up. There is some incomplete setup on there. We have some errors. We got the website information. I want to show you a comparison real quick. I've got very little time left, but this is how structured data should look. This is one of our clients. Of course, we have this structured data that indicates that this client is a local business. And then we also have structured data that outlines all the important information about the business, like social media sites, what it is that we want people to be able to find online, and then also information on the company itself. So this is information that we're indexing with the search engines so that we can list this as a local business and help them improve their search results, both on the mobile desktop and also for mapping and things of that nature. So some important things there. Not too much to go over. In addition to that, some really easy places where you could take some ground would be structured data, taking a look at your content or media strategy and creating content documenting your work, your customers, and educating future customers on a daily basis. Work on getting a program in place or a strategy in place in order to publish daily. And this includes on your website, social media sites, business pages, directories, all the different web properties that you have out there. What that's going to do is it's going to improve your overall page ranking and make you command more attention online and have more authority when it comes to your products and services in your local market. I would also deploy WordPress Rocket, Imagify, and make sure that you have a web firewall set up with a content distribution network or CDN on your host account. Make sure that those things are in place, those 4 things. Of course, those come with our local marketing toolkit as far as our technology stack. It's something that we do for our customers, but if you're a do-it-yourselfer or you're working with a web admin, there's some really great ways that you can distinguish yourself in the marketplace and help you dominate the local market. So hopefully you found some value in that, and I would assert that you did. Hopefully you'll take some of those points, apply them to your business, and go out there and dominate the marketplace. Till the next time we speak, make today and every day a fantastic day. I'll talk with you real soon.